friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to introduce a beautiful, delightful collection of small swimming pool designs that will transform your backyard into a heaven of relaxation and fun. These petite pools are perfect for those with limited space but a big desire for aquatic enjoyment. Each pool in our collection is carefully crafted to maximize both functionality and aesthetics. With the focus on simplicity, we have created pools that blend seamlessly with your outdoor environment. Imagine stepping into a small oasis right in your own backyard where you can escape the heat and enjoy a refreshing dip. Our collection caters to various tastes from modern and sleek to rustic and natural. Whether you prefer a clean geometric shape or more organic, free-form design, our collection has it all. The material used are of the highest quality, ensuring durability and longevity so you can enjoy your pools for years to come. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.